right, April 2026. Took the boat out yesterday for the first time on West Branch and got skunked. But when I got home, I found this in the mail, which I'm very excited to open. And I'm certain it's my Fish Ohio pin that I did not receive for whatever reason. So I did a little digging and found a email address, which is going to be in the description of this video. I submitted this back on September 30th. These are some of my other certificates I've gotten for catching stuff. It's kind of a neat program. Honor system. I always attach a photo, and then you can print these out. Ooh, got a little sticker on it. Try to save that. That's kind of cool, huh? So I'm gonna open it down here at the bottom. Maybe there'll be a sticker inside. And there is. Look at that. That's going on the boat, right with all my other stickers. So I got me a sticker, and then this. My Fish Ohio 2025 pin.
Okay, it's very hard to get out of this plastic. Comes in this nice little case. Oh boy.
There it is. Largemouth bass. Each year they do a different fish. It's not based on what you actually catch. So that's going in my collection. I actually did not get a pin for 2024 because I didn't catch anything that qualified. So if you're missing a pin for last year, check the description of this video. You can email the Ohio DNR and they will send you a replacement pin, as long as you can verify via a certificate or get on their website. If you log one in there, you can actually reprint these certificates. So hope this video helps you out. Hit the like and subscribe button. Rock and roll.